Welcome back to Believer Trader, and today I'm come with a new topic here, that is option selling. Okay, that is in Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty, but I'm using Iron Condor in different way, and I will show you with example how the spread and how break-evens will help you to make a maximum profit here. Okay, let me start with. Okay, if I'm thinking, I will directly come to the chart now. Right now, the market, the spot is at 32,678. I have chosen, okay, I have chosen 33, okay, 33,400 call to a short. Example, I will come to option chain here. 32, okay, 800 is showing, okay, in the 678, but in spot, I came to 33,400 call to short, that is at 217 rupees, and at the same time I'm thinking to short 32,000 put, that is 225. With both, premium will be around 225 plus 220, almost will be works out to be a 450 points. So 450 points into 25 will be automatically, it will be valued about at least 10k, right? Okay. And we start with, okay, I will share one more here. Mm, right, this one. How I'm selling 32,000 put and 33,400 call with this premium is 250 and this premium is around 220 or somewhere. Okay, first I will start with the support. Okay, let me show this one. You can see that one. I think so. Right, I think you're not seeing this one. Okay, okay. Can you see this one? Okay, here you can see I'm shorting 32,000 put and 33,400 call. With both, I'm getting a premium about around 440 rupees. Okay, I'm supporting with 300 points down and 300 points upside. So with that, I will have max profit about 3,530 and max loss about 3,970. Okay, and you can observe one main important point here. What is the main important point to observe here? Okay, you can see break even here. Can you see that one? 31,859 to 33,551, 541. In any case, if market remains between, okay, 31,900 to 33,500, it's very true that 3,500 will be in our pocket. Okay, right? It's clear. Okay, and next, okay, but please remember, where is the break even? Break even is 31,859 to 33,541. Means it works out to be 2.5 percentage on the both side. Max profit will be 3,530 or max loss will be minus 3,930. Okay, if market is going below 31,900 or 850, that time I will be cautioning myself. If market is going above 33,500 also, then also I'm cautioning myself. But there is a cushion will be only 2.5% on the both side. Okay, now if I'm going naked short triangle, okay, naked short triangle, please see here very carefully. 31,559 and 33,841. Now break-evens have become widened more than 300 points than the earlier one, where there was a support. Okay, here there is a no support, but max profit will be 11,000 rupees. Okay, max profit will be around 11,000 rupees here. Very important. Okay, but you will have a range about 3.4% on the both side. That is 11,036 or max profit, and maximum you are going to get, okay, 11,000. That is unlimited. If the market is, if market, I'm telling you, if the market moves above 33,800, then only you are going to lose any money. Otherwise, you are going to get 11,000. That is fixed here. You can see that one. Okay. Mean that 33,500 if expires, then also you are getting 11,000. If 31,500 expires, then also you are getting 11,000. And lower break even will have a lesser value at all. But this is a good decisions to go for a naked short strangle. That will be costing around 1.97 or somewhere, but you can have 3.4%. If you are thinking market will be in the volatility of more than 3.4%, okay, then only the problem. Otherwise, you will have a maximum time, you will have a time decay to be eaten very easily here. That is short strangle. Okay. And one more thing, next I'm going to take calendar spread with same strike here. Calendar spread with same strike. Can you see this one? Okay. Calendar spread with same strike. What I'm doing here is that I am selling 32,000 put, same this expiry, and 33,400 call of this expiry. And you can see that the same strikes, okay, I'm going to buy for the next week. Okay, I'm going to buy for the next week. Here you can see break even is here and break even is here. That is 31,000 and 34,600. It works out to be around 5% on the both side. Remember, it's a 5% on the both side. If market has having a higher volatility, as we have seen as today, that is 3.5%. Okay, if 5% falls, then only we are in a loss. Otherwise, if market remains in between here also, your max profit, if it remains here, will be about 16,190, or it will be around 12,000 or 13,000. If it expires here, then obviously 4,000, here 5,000, but you will be in a profit only here, and you will have wider range. Please compare the first one with support. Okay, the same expiry, that was having only spread about 31,859 to 33,541. But here in this case, break-evens, you can see that market has to fall 2,000, okay, almost 2,000 points below and 2,000 points above. Can you imagine? Then you are more protected here, and you will have sure profit here. Right? Now we will go another example here. Okay, another example. Okay, that will be I'm not getting this one. Computer stuck. Okay. Okay. One more example is the calendar spread with a different strike. I'm saying here at this case 31,700 put, whatever I have bought at the first case, that the same thing I'm going to buy here. The only thing is that the break even will jump to 100 points on the both side. You can see that 31,100 here, 34,400. That is works out to be 2,000 fund and up and down. So here max profit will be around 16,000 rupees, whatever may be, but okay, our profit will be maximized. Okay, here you can see that one. You see that, okay. Here you can see that 16,000. Sorry, yes, this is around to be 31,700 put. Okay, different strike. This is a different strike, that is 15,579 and 15,000 on the other side. Okay, wherever the market if expires, so okay, we are going to get a profit here. Okay, then you can see that it has to traverse more than 3,100, 2,000 points the downside, down 2,000 point upside. That will be very easy, okay, if we are applying the same thing here. And one more I want to show you here. One more I want to show you here is, yeah, let me go to abstract. Okay, here I'm going to short at the money. Okay, if I'm going to short at the money calls and puts, I'm saying that if I'm thinking short triangle, no short triangle, if I'm thinking short straddle, okay, where it has to make, okay, where it has to make, you have to think about that one, where it has to make. How? By going choosing the option check it. You can see that highest option of open interest can be seen on 30 to 500. Okay, 5.1% here, and you can see 33,000 put is around 3.1% and 7.6 works out to be around 10% here, and here also just 9%. We can do either this one or this one as a short straddle. Okay, but before that, to show that one, I will be showing on the showing out here in abstract. Then we can plan about that one, right? Okay. Let me refresh it and start. Okay, Bank Nifty option. I think 33,000 will be my, okay, short straddle. Okay, I'm going to short that one with it's having 361 as a premium, and put is having a premium about 650. I'm shorting the both. Here, one more thing you can observe here. Here you can see that 32,000 is breakeven. Let me update in my here short straddle. Okay, okay, I'm selling both at the money, that 33,000 call and put. I'm selling both. I'm selling call and put. I'm selling. That time I'm having break even about 32,000 downside, and 32,026 on the downside, and 32,976 976 on the upper side. That is 33,000 only. Sorry, 33. Sorry, 33,976. That is here. It's hardly about I think it's will be around the 30 to 1.5% on the both side. One side is 1.5%, other side will be about 3.5%. Okay, range will be, but the max profit here in this case is 24,000 rupees, and if max loss will be around unlimited. Okay, range here is 32,000 to 33,976. In this case, if you ask me which one is the best one to choose and make a better analogy is, from my perspective, I go with, okay, I have to, so here you can see that one. I will go with calendar spread with the same strike. Okay, what is advantage here is that break even I will get 5% on the both side. You observe it. If Bank Nifty is moving on the sideway, if it is also volatile also, if you expect 2% fall today, okay, continues 2%, one day 2% fall, another day 2% fall. Okay, then 4% fall. But after that, you are having a time, no, one more percentage remains. If it reverses from there, then you'll be in a profit there. So calendar spread with the same strike will works out to be a very best strategy for a trade and to make a profit here. Okay, can see that on break-evens are very attractive. And even one more thing I want to show you here, how much the calendar spread. Okay, how much it's my order book today's. Okay, calendar spread, how much margin is required? See, it's 64k. Can you observe this? That's in normal. I'm telling you, it's normal. Can you see this one? In normal, I'm showing this one. I'm selling, okay, 32,000. Sorry, I'm selling 32,300 put and 33,300 call. Okay, for that, okay, for that I am having support about means support for the next different strike. Okay, with a different week, then I'm getting only margin of 64k with final margin will be around 50,697. Works out to be more profit of around, just think about it, that is around 15k max profit. And you may minimum you will get, if I'm saying if minimum I'm telling you, if market remains between 31,000 to, okay, 34,000, that is also 890 or somewhere. Okay, wherever it remains, you are going to get this amount of money, 15k, right? How much the percentage works out to be? Just observe, if you are successfully handling the things here, if you are successfully handling the things here, then obviously you will have a better profit about with this less margin. 15,000 divided by 60,000, I'm saying it will be works out to be 25% return per week. Okay, okay, it's my bad luck that market moves around 7%. I'm saying market works out to be is going, and it is going with my, okay, 31,100 also, sorry, 31,000, below 31,000, so it will go. In the anticipation, go and simply buy one put option. Okay, even the anticipation, if I'm thinking, okay, at that time I will go and buy Bank Nifty 32,000 put at that time only. Okay, at that time only I will go and buy. Okay, now it will hardly, it will cost me nothing, and it will be how chart will be seen. I can show this one moment, how chart will be looked here. In that case, Bank Nifty, I'm shorting 32, okay, 300 put I'm selling. Okay, right, 32 300 put, right? Okay, 32,000 put, 32,000 put. Okay, I'm selling, and at the same time I'm selling 33,400 call. Okay, that is I'm selling. Okay, and I'm buying the same strike for the next week. That's it. No new funda here. I'm buying the same strike for the next week. That time I will have wider range. That is important to be understood. Okay, then my break-even will automatically will shift. Okay, okay, my bad luck. What happens here? if this will going to break. Okay, if this is going to break at this position, okay, at this position, okay, from here to here traverse, you can see that P and L T plus 0, it is showing 3195 something something. Okay, if it expires here 31,845, you are getting 5,200. If it expires here 7,800. Okay, and if it is expires here, that 5,000 minimum you are going to get, right? So in this case, what I will do here, if it is going to break this one 31 500, whatever it's showing now at this point now, I will go and buy 31 500. Okay, 31 500 put. Okay, see, can you see how it will look now? Okay, it will become almost flattened now. You can see that one. Okay, or switch this one also, because on expiry, if it is going, if it is decaying very fast, go and buy that one next expiry. Okay, then obviously it will look like this one. You will not be in a loss. It will be controlled. I'm saying it will be controlled. If it is loss also, it will be controlled around minus 2k or minus 3k. But if it is coming, it will come heavily. Okay, okay, the I think the you understood well in this one, I think. Okay, if any doubts are there, then keep me posted on with the comments there, so that I can improve myself, that where I'm going wrong and where I'm getting right. I'm applying these things as in realistically for my purpose, and you can also apply the same thing here. Okay, these are the best strategies you can make with the hedge. Okay, the hedging is a very important point of view here. You can see that. Okay, with hedge also you can do, with support you can do, without support also you can do, and with calendar spread. Calendar spread is the best strategy that you can use it. Max profit, you can see that. And short straddle. Okay, when we will first, okay, as a beginner we will go with, okay, as a beginner we will go with calendar spread with same strike and different strike, and with support, that is this one. Okay, hardly how we can expect this one, this one, this one, because we will be protected mode. Okay, a short straddle and naked short triangle will be, advanced, means beginners we will go with a support, means we should not lose heavily. And after that we will, if we are having a wide knowledge and we know better skill about bank nifty's movement on the both side, that is 3% 4% on the other side, then we will move to the second, that is naked short triangle or short straddle. Before that one, we will practice with support, or calendar spread with same strike, or calendar with the different strike only. I'm preferring that only, because market volatility we don't know, but as a beginners we should treat this one only. Okay, I think you understood well in this case. I think if you have any problems, or if you have any queries about regarding this one, if I'm making any wrong things, please suggest me with the comment box here. Okay, thank you very much.